We are volunteering here for a project called Monsoon Wooding. So it's related to like how we are going to plant a food forest here, and this is the food forest that Swechha planted the prior year, that is 2015, and we are just mulching it again so that the overall plants are maintained and stuff.
We have around 35 volunteers here, and we are looking at planting about 1500 saplings over the 2 days, today and tomorrow.
So first thing that you have to do is you have to observe the landscape. So this landscape in the L shape we observed, and we have made trenches on the contours of this.
So right now we've already planted the fruit trees, and now we're doing some herbs in between, because the idea is to develop a regenerative forest. So there are big fruit trees, and then there will be herbs in between that will actually add to the ground cover and add to the overall plantation. So there's aloe vera, there's tulsi, because we're looking at, at the end of the day, who lives in a forest? There are animals, there are insects, there are butterflies, there are all kinds of species. So we're only not looking at what human beings would need, but also what animals would require, or perhaps what these plants would also require.
It is all about contributing their thought and contributing their energy. The most important is time. पैसा तो कोई भी दे देगा, but the issue is how much are you willingly participate and contribute to the think tank.
As the name says, it's Plantation Drive, but I'm looking much more forward to what we are doing here. So I was part of Plantation Drive last year as well, and it was really great. What we sowed last year, we can see it now. So it's a really good feeling, of course, and I'm looking forward for all the seeds and all the plants that we are sowing this year to grow and be very healthy and yield fruits and stuff.
Step would be, we'll be gathering a lot of dried leaves, dead twigs and broken wooden pieces, and we'll be lining this whole trench, especially around the fruit trees,
covering it up
to cover it up. So that is called mulching. तो वहाँ से जितनी ये बोरियाँ हैं, there is one more पूरा पैकेट है वहाँ पे बड़ा, वो भर के लाना है and start filling the trenches like complete.